Hello everyone, welcome to Mastery. It's Rosario's Academy. So this video is all about the general information regarding UGC NET examination. Because many people are having some confusion on this examination, who are eligible to apply for the examination, how to apply and how to appear, how to prepare. So they are having some confusions on this examination. I just thought to clear a few things which I know about this examination. So let us discuss in detail. UGC NET examination. UGC means University Grant Commission. So they are the controlling body of all the universities and colleges which are located all over India. So this examination is governed by the UGC University Grant Commission. The expansion of NET is National Eligibility Test. National eligibility. When the people are qualifying this examination, they are eligible to work as an assistant professor in all the universities and colleges all over India. So this certificate is valid national-wide. So it is termed as National Eligibility Test, which is conducted to qualify the assistant professor. Then normally it is conducted twice in a year. This examination is conducted by NTA, National Testing Agency. From December 2018 onwards, they have started to conduct this examination. Before that, the same examination was conducted by CBSE boards, Central Board of Secondary Education. So before 2018 December, this examination was conducted by the CBSE board. From 2018 December onwards, the same UGC NET examination is conducted by the NTA. They are the authorized agency to conduct this examination appointed by UGC. Okay. Then when the people are qualifying this examination, they are eligible to work as an assistant professor in all the universities and colleges all over India. Then let us get into the examination mode. It is through online objective type examination. We have to sit in front of the computer. The duration of the examination is 3 hours. Okay. So when the time begins, we are able to access the questions on screen. We have to choose the right option by clicking with the mouse. We can navigate between the questions from first to end, forward as well as backward movement. So we can navigate between the questions any number of time between the span of time. Once the examination gets over, we can't even access the questions. So it will be automatically submitted when the 3 hours get over. Then at the time of conducting the examination, we are given a plain sheet with a ballpoint pen for some rough calculation, and that paper should be returned back when you are coming out of the examination hall. And inside the examination hall, no electronic gadgets are allowed. Even the watches are kept outside of the examination hall. Okay, how to apply? We have to apply through a website called ugcnet.nta.nic.in. So we have to log in and we have to apply. Normally it is conducted twice in a year, as I told you earlier, during June month and during December month. The results will be announced very next following month, by July or beginning of August, by Jan end. Normally between 30 to 40 days the results are announced. The same website, and even we can download the E-Certificate after few days once the results are announced. Then who can apply for the examination? Those who are doing their master final year degree are eligible to apply for the examination, and there is no any age limit. Then as far as the certificate is concerned, it is valid for lifelong. There is no any time limitations. Then when you are applying, we are able to apply with 2 options. First option is for assistant professor only. We can apply with the first option of assistant professor only. Then the second option is assistant professor with JRF. JRF denotes Junior Research Fellowship. When we are qualified in this category, we are able to pursue our PhD with the government UGC 8. Okay, what is the difference between these two? Who are able to qualify as assistant professor with JRF and who are able to qualify as assistant professor only? The difference are fixed with the help of the cutoff marks. Suppose if they are fixing 60% for assistant professor only, normally they would fix 67 or 68% for this second category, that is assistant professor with JRF. If you are able to get 68 or 67% or more, then you are coming under the second category. You are qualified with assistant professor with JRF. Suppose if you fail to get above 67% or if you are able to get between 60 and 67, you are able to qualify as assistant professor only. If you are getting less than 60%, then you are not qualified. Okay, I hope you get it. Normally, this kind of cutoff category is decided only at the time of examination by the agency. So there is no any fixed percentage for these two categories. These percentages and all fixed by the agency only at the time of examination, depending on the eligible candidates and the number of candidates are applied and all. I hope you get it. As far as fees is concerned, the people who belong to OC or general category are needed to apply with 1000 rupees, and the people who are coming under the OBC category are needed to apply with 500 rupees. The people who belong to SC/ST category are needed to apply with 250 rupees per examination. We need to choose 4 desired locations. After that 4 choice, they would allocate 1 examination location. And the mode of payment should be done through online, through net or fund transfer. We need to make the payment for the examination. Then when you qualify this examination and when you joined as an assistant professor in a college, then from the day one itself your experience is getting counted for the TRB evaluation. Suppose if you are given government opportunity, then your experience are taken into account. So for the experience consideration, we need to complete either NET examination or PhD. Normally, as far as PhD is concerned, it takes between 3.5 years to 5 years. So instead of waiting for the research, if you are able to qualify this examination, automatically from the next day onwards, when you are working, your experience are taken into account. So that is another advantage in this examination. I hope you get it. Because normally after completion of the PG, people are pursuing for MPhil, then they are pursuing for PhD, and after that only they are able to start the work with experience, and after that only the experiences is taken into account. So the people who are working already without completing this 2, that is NET examination or PhD, their experiences are not at all taken into account for TRB evaluation. So the people who really want to get into this teaching industry, if you are pursuing your final year master degree, then this is the time to crack this examination, so as you can get into the industry by next academic year itself as a qualified professional. I hope you get it. You need not wait for your researchers, isn't it? Then later on you can start your research. After joining in an institution, you can start your research. Then the NET examination on the national level conduct பண்ற டெஸ்ட், இது இல்லாமல் ஸ்டேட் லெவலில் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணுற டெஸ்ட் இருக்கு. நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் TNSET இருக்கு, கேரளாவில் கேரளா ஸ்டேட் எலிஜிபிலிட்டி டெஸ்ட், கர்நாடகாவில் கர்நாடகா ஸ்டேட் எலிஜிபிலிட்டி டெஸ்ட். இப்போ நம்ம தமிழ்நாட்டிலையும் நம்ம நெட் எக்ஸாம் கிளியர் பண்ணலனாலும் TNSET நம்ம கிளியர் பண்ணனாலும் we are a qualified assistant professor. Okay, so this examination is conducted national wise, so its validity is national wide. So இந்தியாவுக்குள்ள எந்த ஸ்டேட்லனாலும் எந்த காலேஜ்லனாலும் நீங்கள் ஒரு குவாலிஃபைட் அசிஸ்டன்ட் ப்ரொஃபஸராக ஒர்க் பண்ண முடியும். காலேஜஸ் ஆர் யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸ், ஈவன் யூனிவர்சிட்டிஸ். Then when it comes to the examination, the duration of the examination is 3 hours. We are asked 150 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So we need to write for 300 marks. And there is no negative marks at all in UGC NET examination. Please keep in mind. As far as examination is concerned, there are 2 papers. paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is common for all the people who are coming from different disciplines, and paper 2 questions are taken from the desired branches or department or discipline. If you are a commerce student, then commerce questions are asked. If you are an English literature student, then English subject oriented questions are there. That is 100 questions. That is part 2. As far as part 1 is concerned, general questions are there. So regarding the questions, regarding the units, how to appear for the examination, how to prepare, how to approach the examination and all, we'll discuss in detail in another video. பொதுவான இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்ஸை நான் ஷேர் பண்ணியிருக்கேன், ஒரு ஜெனரல் அவேர்னஸ். ஸோ மாஸ்டர் டிகிரி பண்ணுறவங்களுக்கு இது ஒரு அரிய வாய்ப்பு. ஓகே, ஸோ இமிடியேட்டாக நீங்கள் இந்த எக்ஸாமினேஷனுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி நீங்கள் ஒரு குவாலிஃபைடு ப்ரொஃபஷனலாக ஒரு இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷனுக்குள்ளே நுழையலாம். இது சம்மந்தமாக எந்த டவுட்ஸ் இருந்தாலும், இது சம்மந்தமாக இன்னும் உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது கிளாரிஃபிகேஷன் தேவை இருந்தால், you put it on the comment line, let us discuss. I would come up with an appropriate information in another video. I'll explain you better. Then இந்த எக்ஸாமினேஷனுக்கு ரொம்ப அக்ரெசிவாக படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கிற உங்கள் எல்லாருக்கும் என்னோட hearty congratulations in advance. Very soon you will succeed in your life as a qualified professional. Thank you so much for watching.